we're gonna be chugging this 2-liter Mountain Dew right here. That's not good. It's not good at all. By chugging over 2 liters of Mountain Dew Zero. At least this is a soda pop that I'll actually enjoy. 0.50 liters of Sprite in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 6 bottles of Diet Coke, no big deal. Hopefully not. This is a lot of Monster right here. This is the Yes Burp Soda Chug. Today we have a half gallon of apple juice and we're gonna chug it here today. Disgusting. That's a lot of sugar. This is 80 ounces of Baja Blast Mountain Dew. We're gonna see how fast we can chug it here today. That's a lot of sugar. It's so carbonated.